Yo, yo, what's up? This is Monkey Biz TV. Thumbs up, like, share this video. Check it out. We have the banana with us. Our monkeys are going over there. They hijacked the monkey. Anyway, miss, what's your name, bro? Oh.
My name is Ashleigh.
I was going to say bro.
I'm bro.
Bro.
Whatever you want to be.
So your name's Ashleigh. How's your evening so far?
It's good. I'm having a cider. Well, I'm about to order a cider.
Oh, no. What sort of cider do you like?
Apple.
Apple. Is it the sweet or the original or the crispy?
What?
Is it sweet, original, or crispy?
Sweet. I like it sweet.
You like it sweet?
I'm
Okay.
not sweet enough. So
I see. So I'm going to ask you 3 questions. Yeah, you ready?
You just asked me 3 questions.
Not really.
I'm joking.
So the first question, Miss Ashleigh, is if you had a purpose in life or a dream job and you had to do it day in, day out to the end of your days,
What would it be?
What would it be?
World peace. I'm joking. My ultimate dream job would be to be just a blogger and travel the world vlogging and
What would you blog about though?
my travel experiences, the food, the everything that you're experiencing when you travel. A lot of people don't get that opportunity, so I would love to be able to people read through my photos and my words.
Okay, cool. The second question is...
The banana just touched my ass.
Sorry, it's a big banana. The next question, Miss, is what are your values in life? What's important to you in life?
Hey. My values for everyone. You want loyalty, you want humor, you want that passion that you get. What motivates you throughout every single day? What's the reason you wake up in the morning?
Killer. Okay, and then last question is, what steps are you taking, or what are you doing in this moment to get you to your dream job as a blogger?
Well, I'm sort of doing it. I mean, I've got a strong following on social media already, so I'm using that as my major platform.
Yep.
And then, yeah, just challenging myself. I want to take it to the YouTube platform, and that will be my next challenge. So,
cool. So that pretty much smoothly runs into any shout-outs, any social media, what should people check out on wherever? Where can they find you?
You can find me on Facebook, Ashleigh Jade, on Instagram, Ashleigh Jade 05, Twitter's the same. Yeah!
Cool. And now your friend actually said that you got the best resting bitch face ever. So, are you ready to do the resting bitch face challenge? Are you ready? Are you ready? Resting bitch face challenge.
Where do I look at? Can I look at you?
Yeah.
Show your face, yeah.
Okay, I'll pan it. Ready. Resting bitch face. That's cheating. That's cheating. You're looking away. Anyway, Monkey Biz TV, thumbs up, like, share this video. Bye, Ashleigh. Bye, Miss. Peace.